Okay, so yeah, there's probably about already a whole bunch of videos on how to do this, but I'm gonna do it because yeah. So we're gonna be making what the title says. I have a fourth cup of flax seeds right here. Alright, here's my pot of water. Put it in there. So this is 2 cups of water, 4th cup of flax seeds, and my container, and my 33-cent stockings. I need a spoon. Great. Okay, this is bullshit because we have no spoons. I guess we'll just use this plastic one. I don't know if that's smart or not. But yeah. I've been wanting to make flaxseed gel for a while. So as soon as this boils, we'll have enough. And I'm gonna put some drops of olive oil and honey from another video that I saw, if I have any. Okay, yeah, I don't think I have any honey, which sucks because I did. This is getting really hot. Making weird sounds. Can you hear that? I don't know if I should leave it alone. Turn it down a little. I'm gonna go get some olive oil. Let me know if it kills. Okay, I'm back, and wow, it's boiling really high. Let's turn it down before it overflows. This is not good. How long was I gone for? What the freak? Okay, yeah, this is what happens when you leave for 5 seconds. You burn everything down. I don't really see any frothy foam that everyone's talking about. All I have is olive oil, so better do me good. And you wanna know how much I got my flaxseed for? I got this much. Not even a pound. I think it was like half a pound. For not even 50 cents. So there's only 46 cents. Okay, so, oh my god, this is hot. It's starting to thicken. Get it off of the sides of the pan. turned off the heat. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I need a pot holder. Because this glass pot is too hot. So I'm just going to take it off the heat. See? Wonder if I can edit this crap. Smells like artichoke water. Okay, but see? The water congealed, as Natural 85 would say. Alright. Just getting the container ready. Ugh, why do these containers smell weird? Alright, got this cheap stocking. You can put it over the container. Alright, so hot. Okay. It is kind of hot. So I'm going to take this and just pour it slightly in there. I'm going to do this over the sink. Okay. And poured all of it into the container. Trying to see if this is hot. There's no heat, so it shouldn't be. Alright, so here it is. Gonna take off the stocking. And I have my chopsticks to sift out. I don't have tongs. Okay, so just pushing it all down. Ew, it got everywhere. Great. Ew, it's getting everywhere. This is disgusting.